Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new video. Today I'll be just showing you guys how to get the controller working for a Deadly Premonition 2, a blessing in disguise for the PC. So it just dropped today, and well, the controller doesn't work, and it doesn't support mouse and keyboard, which is ridiculous. So I'm gonna actually leave this link in this config file in the description down below for you guys. You're simply going to download the folder. You'll simply extract it. Let's say you extract it to pictures, whatever the hell you extract it to. You're simply going to copy these. Then you're going to go to wherever you have Deadly Premonition 2 installed. You're going to go in, Steam Apps, Common, Deadly Premonition 2, and you're simply going to paste in the files. Once you do that, the game will run with your controller. It's that simple, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys would like extra handy tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post all types of tips for all new games that come out each and every day. I'll see you guys again.